I'll introduce myself first. My name is Vivek Marathi. I'm the president of JB Medicated Youth Association, Nandivanparthi. It is not a society, ma'am. Wishing you all 76th Republic Day. Happy Republic Day to all the children. And సో వేదిక మీద ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు శాస్త్రి గారికి, అట్లాగే అన్న మాజీ ఎంపీపీ రాచర్ల వెంకటేశ్వర్లు గారికి, గ్రామ అభివృద్ధికి నిరంతరం తన వంతు సహకారాన్ని అందిస్తూ తన ఉపాధ్యాయ వృత్తిని వదులుకొని గ్రామానికి సేవ చేస్తున్నటువంటి అన్న పిలకండి శేఖర్ రెడ్డి గారికి, అట్లాగే అన్న గ్రామానికి ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో వచ్చినా కూడా తనకంటూ ఒక పేరు సంపాదించుకుంటూ గ్రామ అభివృద్ధికి అట్లాగే స్కూల్కి కూడా తన వంతు సహకారాన్ని అందిస్తున్నటువంటి అన్న మూడెడ్ల వెంకరెడ్డి గారికి, అట్లాగే రిటైర్డ్ ఉపాధ్యాయులు యాదయ్య సార్ గారికి, కిషన్ సార్ గారికి, రామనాథం గారికి, అట్లాగే అన్న నాగరాజు గారికి, అట్లాగే ఉపాధ్యాయునిలకు, ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన యువజన సంఘాల సభ్యులకు, అట్లాగే వివిధ రాజకీయ పార్టీల ప్రతినిధులకు, అట్లాగే గ్రామ యువకులకు అందరికీ 76వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ముఖ్యంగా దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ ఫర్ ద రిపబ్లిక్ డే. సో దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే అండ్ రిపబ్లిక్ డే. So what is the significance of Republic Day is India is adopted, though we got independence in 1947, we got our rights, we got our India adopted our constitution on 1950 January 26. That's why we celebrate in a different way on January 26th of every year. So there is a significance for the Republic Day, separate significance from the apart from Independence Day. So when we adopted what happens when you adopt a constitution is, since students can understand English medium, all the students are English medium students, I prefer to speak in English only. Don't though whoever not understand, don't feel shy. I'm just talking to the students directly. So when we adopt a constitution, I'll give just basic understanding of constitution and I'll end my speech. So in the constitution, when India adopted the constitution, it is giving official citizenship for a Indian citizen. So if you open a Indian constitution, you will have preamble, what is the Indian motto. Then if you open the first page of constitution, we'll have article 1, which is Indian citizenship. So it is to tell I am a proud Indian citizen from the constitution itself. And constitution is having different parts and schedules. There are 25 parts and schedules of 12, and initially we had 395 articles in the constitution, and now it has become 448 articles in the constitution. So every student should know the basic understanding of constitution, because it should, though we are living in this country. So if you go outside of your country, if you want to tell I am an Indian citizen, you know the constitution. If you go for article 19 to article 23 or 22, you will have you have fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Every students will learn fundamental rights from your education itself, maybe 8th or 9th class social. So every student should know what are the fundamental rights of a citizen, what are the fundamental duties of a citizen. So fundamental rights is, I'll give just example, right to equality. So ప్రతి వ్యక్తిని మనం సమానత్వంగా చూడడమే రైట్ టు ఈక్వాలిటీ. వర్ణ లింగ ఏ భేదం లేకుండా చూసేదే సమానత్వ హక్కు. అట్లా all the fundamental rights are there in the constitution. Right to education is also a fundamental right to live, right to birth, everything comes from constitution itself. So these things, this is the significance of Indian constitution. So every student should know the importance of constitution and why Baba Saheb Ambedkar photo should be kept in there is I think Jivo is there. Baba Saheb portrait should be there in every school, wherever the flag hosting is happened. Why Baba Saheb is significant to the Republic Day? Though he drafted the Constitution of India, he fought for the oppressed people. He fought for the rights of oppressed people, whoever the backward class people were there. So they literally, when they are losing their rights, when they are not able to deliver their rights properly, so Baba Saheb fought for the oppressed people. Maybe SC, STs, BCs, even minorities also gets the reservation from the constitution itself. So every citizen will vote for their leaders based on the right to vote, fundamental right only. So people should know the importance of vote, right to vote before getting teenage only. So you should know the importance of vote before if you read maybe the chapter next to the Indian Constitution, the next chapter is election system in India. So if you know the importance of vote, you won't take money to vote, or you don't take the money to vote though we are coming next, maybe we have general elections, local body elections in the next coming months. So you read the chapter and go to your parents and tell them to not to take bribe or don't take money to vote. This year's our youth organization's motto is to create awareness among the students about constitution and to create importance of vote right in the even villages and mandals. We are preparing for a program called Votu Hakku Avagahana in complete Yacharam Mandal. So this is the significance of constitution and this is the significance of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. అందరికీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా ఓటు హక్కు మీద అవగాహన ఉండాలి. రాజ్యాంగం ఇచ్చిన హక్కు. అట్లాగే బాబాసాహెబ్ యొక్క ఒక ఫేమస్ కోట్ ఉంటుంది, బోధించు, సమీకరించు, పోరాడు, ఎడ్యుకేట్, అజిటేట్ అండ్ ఆర్గనైజ్. సో ఇదేంటంటే భారతదేశంలో ఏ ఉద్యమం తీసుకున్నా కూడా ఈ మూడింటి మీదనే ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. బోధించడం, ఆ ఉద్యమం యొక్క లక్ష్యాన్ని బోధించడం, ఆ లక్ష్యాన్ని చేరుకోవడం కోసం పోరాడడం, ఆ లక్ష్యాన్ని పోరాడే దిశగా ఉన్నటువంటి భారతదేశ ప్రజలందరినీ కూడా సమీకరించడం. ఏ ఉద్యమాన్ని తీసుకున్నా అట్లే ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మోటో ఆఫ్ ద ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ జనరలీ, educate, agitate and organize. And I'm wishing you all the best for your bright future. And I'm promising you, last time on behalf of our youth organization we provided examination material to SSC students for the examination. This year, not this year only, for every year, as long as our youth association presents, will present the examination material to the students every year. So whatever the examination material will be there, pads, pens, scale, whatever the stationery items will be there, we'll provide every year. From the last time we are providing, so this year also we'll provide to the SSC students. And this time we conducted essay writing on the Indian Constitution importance and significance of Republic Day. And I thank whoever participated in that essay writing competition. We truly appreciate the efforts of the students. And with due respect to all the teachers, I'm little bit worried because we thought we expected large number of students participation in the essay writing because we kept the topic as Indian Constitution. I respect all the teachers. My father is also teacher. Don't take in a negative way. I sincerely request, I'll keep again this essay writing in the mandal level. Please teach we take enough time. We'll take one date and we'll keep in maybe in after 1 month or maybe in summer we'll keep mandal level essay writing competition. I hope my Nandyavanparthi students will get number 1 medal in the mandal level competition. I have hopes. So we'll celebrate Republic Day later also. After that competition, every student should know the basic idea of constitution. Whoever getting those 3 prizes today, we are distributing with a medal with the basic idea understanding of a constitution book. So I hope there is always you can try for a success. If you get a failure teaches so many lessons. So don't worry if you get a failure. ఓటం ఎప్పుడు అనేక పాఠాలను నేర్పిస్తుంటుంది. అట్లాగే ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరికి తక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చినా, ఒకనా ఎక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చినా పొంగిపోవద్దు, తక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చినా బాధపడవద్దు. ముందుగా అట్లాగే ఎంత కష్టపడితే అంత పైకి వస్తామో అది మీ పిల్లలకు మీ తల్లిదండ్రులకు పేరు తెచ్చిపెడుతుంది, మీ స్కూల్కి పేరు తెచ్చిపెడుతుంది, మీకు ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటుంది. కావున దెర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫర్ ఏ సక్సెస్. You strive hard for success and I'm wishing you all the best for all the children, and you crack your exams, you get the mandal level first or district level first in your examinations. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you for detailed description about our constitution and the service which you are doing in this village for the sake of our students. Thanks once again. Now.